Now, to restore your data from a backup you've made on a cloud service, we start at the main menu here, and we're going to press the main menu button and go to Settings. Now in Settings, we're going to go to Data Management to manage the data, and we're going to go to Restore because we've already backed this up. The data's been backed up to a cloud service like Google Docs, and now I'm going to get or retrieve that information. So I'm going to go to the Restore tab, and I'm going to go down to the second black kind of area here. The first one is restoring from a backup in the computer. The second is restore from cloud service. Now there's two ways to restore from a cloud service. iCloud is a little different than the other cloud services. So if you were backed up to iCloud, then you have to use the other process. So you have to view the other video. We're going to use from Google Drive. So I'm going to select this, press in this box. It already says Google Drive, but I'm just going to press on it so you can see these come up. And again, these have been entered into the setup screen under clouds services, and the basically you enter the app HTML code. It's already been entered, so for these ones have been entered, and these are the standard. So hopefully you're using one of these. If not, you have to find out that you can add your own. So I'm going to use Google Drive. I'm going to press that again, and then I'm going to press the little arrow at the end, and it says tap the backup file you want to restore from, then press open with FileMaker Go. So I'm going to press OK, and then it's going to open Google Drive, and I'm going to just scroll down and find one of the backups. So you can see here I've got one backup March 20th. That's the one I want. I could have different backups here and choose the one I want. I'm going to choose this one, backup March 20th, and I'm going to press that one more time. Now when I press it, it opens up this. It wants to download it, but it can't download. It says unable to open the file. Now, it says open in here. Now, for some reason, in this particular version of the operating system, it doesn't like to open in with this open in. I have to go to the three dots up in the corner, and maybe in the version that you're using, it will work with open in. And I just do open in over here. This open in on the menu, and then I have to import with FileMaker Go. So I press that. I press it one more time. And it goes through a little process. And then it says, are you sure you want to restore from a backup file? The current data will be erased and not be retrieved. Cannot be retrieved. So everything that's on this right now will be deleted and replaced with the backup information. So just make sure you're aware of that. Press OK. It's going to remove some of the old files and bring in the new data. And this can take range in time depending on the amount of data that you have, especially videos or photos, that sort of thing. And then it just brings you back to this screen and you're all set.